It's Tuesday, August 2nd, 2022. I'm Ashley Pollard here for today's edition of Tuesday Talk, where we review common real estate and mortgage related topics. Today's topic is 5 NJ Summer Shore Festivals you should absolutely attend this month in August. And I'm coming to you from outside today because I'm talking about outside today, so it only makes sense. So this first festival is happening this weekend. August 5th through 7th is the Highlands Clam Festival, and that is in Highlands, New Jersey, which is Monmouth County. This event has tons of fresh seafood, contests, live entertainment, craft vendors, and also lots of children's activities. Both admission and parking are free for this event. Also happening this weekend on August 6th is the Manahawkin Craft Beer and Music Festival, and this is happening in Stafford Township, which is in Ocean County. Here you can expect food, great live music, and of course the beer from all the local breweries. Attendance is free, but if you wish to participate in the beer tasting, you must get a ticket, and your ticket is going to include a souvenir tasting cup, obviously the beer tasting, live music, special exhibits, and access to food and vendors. August 12th through 14th. This is the Tidal Wave Music Festival in Atlantic City, New Jersey, which is in Atlantic County. Now, this is a brand new festival coming to New Jersey, and it's going to feature 30 country artists from Luke Bryan to Morgan Wallen, and they're going to play across 2 stages at a 3-day really fun summer festival on the Atlantic City beach. Tickets for this one are not free, but they do include access to all 3 days, and children under 6 are free with a ticketed adult. August 19th through 21st is the High Tide Summer Holiday, and this is happening in Asbury Park, New Jersey, which is in Monmouth County. High Tide Summer Holiday used to be called Asbury Park Surf Music Festival, and this is returning to New Jersey for the first time in 2 years since the COVID pandemic began. This event is going to highlight musical artists from High Tide Recordings, in addition to an exclusive tropical cocktail menu, rooftop happy hours, pool parties, and a vendor market, and lots more. The host hotel is going to be the Asbury, and all the concerts are going to happen at Asbury Lanes. Lastly, this month is August 27th, the Jersey Shore Jazz and Blues Festival in Long Branch, New Jersey, which is in Monmouth County. This is an annual Jersey Shore event, which is held at the Great Lawn at the Boardwalk in Long Branch. And this is just going to be for jazz and blues lovers. The festival is going to begin at 1 p.m. and end at 9 and have a fireworks show at the end, so you don't want to miss that. If you want to attend any of these or need more information, please just reach out to me. I'll send you links, or you can do a simple Google search. And if you go, take pictures, videos, have a great time. And if you want me to come with you, call me. And if I'm free, I will attend with you. But I hope you can check out some of these great festivals happening in New Jersey this month. And I look forward to seeing you next Tuesday for Tuesday Talk. You guys enjoy the rest of your day. Have a great, productive, amazing week and start to August. I will see you next Tuesday.